Okay, so I'm making a quick video about how I make kitten formula for kittens at 1 week old and between 2.5 and 3 weeks. The formula that I use is really helpful with constipation and keeping them well nourished and helps with worms. So I have a 12-ounce container of KMR. It comes with a scoop. The scoop reads, I don't know what the scoop reads. 148 cc's, but then I have a Pedialyte solution and I mix it in this. This is for kittens that are one week, between, just born and actually just born in 2 weeks. So this is the solution I use. So I'll take 1 scoop of KMR because as you know, you should only be making formula once a day. You shouldn't have formula for days on end because it can spoil and that'll make them sick. So I'd use 1 scoop of KMR, a half a scoop of the electrolyte solution, 1.5 scoops of water, and I'll mix it. That's usually good for a day for a younger kitten. As they get older, you need to adjust the solution, but try to keep it so that it's still, 1 of 4. This is just 1/4 of the liquid part of the solution. So then as they get to two weeks, 2.5, I'll do 2 scoops KMR a day, 1 scoop of this, 3 scoops of water, and mix it together. Now, what can happen sometimes around 2 weeks is they get constipated. If they get constipated, before 3 weeks, 3 weeks is usually when I add the baby food. I always get chicken and gravy or turkey. I don't do the beef. So around that time is when I'll add about a teaspoon of baby food at the 3-week, 2.5-week mark. But if you find that they're getting constipated around 2 weeks, you can add a little bit. Make sure you purify it so that it's liquid. It's easier for them to digest and it helps them pass the stool. So again, always one part KMR to 2 parts of liquid solution, but 1/4 of the liquid solution should be electrolyte. So in the beginning, it should be 1 scoop KMR, 1/2 scoop electrolyte solution, 1.5 scoops of water. Then around 2 weeks, you make more formula. This is, a little bit less than a day's worth of formula. But there's some more in the fridge. But it makes about a day's worth of formula when you do the 2 scoops of KMR at 2 weeks, 1 scoop of this, 3 scoops of water, and mix it all up. Again, at 2 weeks, if they're constipated, you can add a little bit of baby food. I don't add it until about 2.5 weeks. It's really good. They love it, and it helps them pass the stool. Again, sterilize everything if you can. If you're using the baby food early, make sure it's pureed and as liquefied as possible. And that's how I do it.